So I woke up on Friday seeing that Bitcoin had dropped about 15% down to $45,000. And after looking at the chart, I even seen it went as low as $43,000 at one point.
This is fine. I'm okay with the events that are unfolding currently. That's okay. Things are gonna be okay.
So not ideal by any means, and of course in December it was not looking too good, seeing as most people said that December was going to be the month that we seen the parabolic leg of the bull run. But right now, that does not seem to be the case. If we take a look at this chart on screen here, this is of the 2017 crypto bull run, and you can see that there was quite a big drop, nearly 30% drop right before we absolutely took off in that last leg of the bull market. So of course no guarantees, but that may very well be what we've just seen here. Now I've got a good couple of questions wondering why this has happened, why are we seeing such a big drop out of nowhere, because there isn't really that much news, but in my opinion it's generally down to people being too optimistic right now. And by that I mean a lot of people are currently leverage trading. So for example, if you have 1,000 in your account and you're trading on 10x leverage, which a lot of cryptocurrency brokerages allow you to do, for every 1% that the cryptocurrency you're trading drops, you would actually lose 10%, and you can actually liquidate yourself very quickly. So essentially what it looks like is happening here is a lot of people took out leverage positions, the cryptocurrency market dropped down maybe 5 or 10%, and a lot of people actually got liquidated out of their positions, which means you have to sell your cryptocurrency. It's pretty much done automatically for you. So that in turn caused the price to absolutely plummet down to around the $43,000 level. Now it's currently Sunday night when I'm recording this, and we can see Bitcoin is just under the $50,000 mark again, sitting at around 49,000. So of course positive signs, but it could really go anyway from here. Me personally, I still think we are in the bull run, and I think this is just a blip like we seen in 2017 before we'd really take off. And I still see us hitting 100,000 Bitcoin within the next 2 to 3 months. And I'm sure a lot of you who've just joined into the cryptocurrency space over the last couple of months, and I've seen people talking about $100,000 Bitcoin by the end of this year, and then people are just constantly putting out their timelines. But that's just the nature of the cryptocurrency market. Everybody is trying to figure things out as they go along. Things can happen which causes timelines to be extended out a bit, but for me, if we don't see $100,000 in the next 3 months, I would be quite surprised. Now of course this is not financial advice, it's by no means guaranteed, and make sure you do all your own research when it comes to any type of investment. So the next couple of days will be very key to see if the momentum continues with Bitcoin and people continue to buy this bit of a dip that we've experienced. And me personally, I would be hoping to see Bitcoin rebound to around the $60,000 level by about the 15th of December, or I think we could be in quite a bit of trouble. Not to say we would definitely be at the end of the bull market if Bitcoin doesn't get back up to $60,000 by that mark, but that's just what I'm looking out for. Anyway, let's take a quick look at my cryptocurrency portfolio and we'll see how some of my holdings are doing. So as you can see here, we're currently sitting at 14,238. I did add a small bit more money into it on the dip, managed to buy a little bit of Bitcoin around the $45,000 range, I think it was. Because I felt like it was a decent opportunity to pick some up. I only bought maybe €1 or €200 worth, so not by any means a lot of money. But you can see here that I actually have done something quite key, and I'm not recommending anybody to do this of course, but what I did is actually consolidate my holdings quite a bit. So any kind of meme coins or poo coins that I was in, I decided to just get rid of them because I wasn't confident in them and just put that money into Bitcoin. And you can see I've consolidated it down to, I believe, 6 holdings I think it is right now. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, DFI, FTT, XRP, and ENS. Now I will cover some of these off in an upcoming video where I'm going over my best cryptocurrencies to buy for the new year of 2022. So definitely stay tuned for that. But yeah, as you can see, Bitcoin and Ethereum still my 2 biggest holdings here. And especially in these kind of markets where you're not sure if the bull run is going to continue or we're going to see a bit of a bear market, I think these are probably 2 of the safest options to be in. But anyway guys, I'd love to hear your thoughts on the state of the current cryptocurrency market. Did you end up buying the dip, or do you think that we'll dip even further in the coming days? And most importantly, do you think we'll see $100,000 Bitcoin within the next 1 to 2 months like I do? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyway guys, if you're new around here, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. We're aiming for 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you could help us along the journey, that would be absolutely amazing. And make sure you do drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another video.